Hello, and welcome to my new PreCal tutorial. Are you ready for a heckin' fun time? That's right, ladies. I'm the PreCal prophet. As you can see here, we have a center of 3, -5. A slope of 2 over 5. Our foci would be 3 plus or minus the square root of 29 minus 5. Our vertices, 3 plus or minus 2, comma, -3. Our conjugate axis, 3, comma, -5, -5. Now you're probably wondering how I got all of this.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Well, you see, we use the tactic a squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Oh my god, there's a bang at the door!
This is the math police!
Guten Tag, Schnabbe.
What in the world is this?
It's my art.
Not anymore, heathen! As you can plainly see, the center is at 3 and -5, with the slope of 2 over 5. The vertices of this magnificent piece of art is 3 plus or minus 2, comma, -5. And the conjugate axis, endpoints, of course, are 3, comma, -5 plus or minus 5. Now then, as you can see with my beautiful graph and amazing sketch of Yoda, I know exactly what I'm doing. And with the foci of 3 plus or minus square root of 29, comma, -5, I think that just solves all of it.
Oh, you think you're so good, don't you? If you think you're so good at math, then why don't you try this on for size? Solve this.
Done! You see, you gave me the equation x equals t squared minus 4 and y equals t over 2. Well, since you also gave me with an interval of -2t to +3. Oh well, I was able to put it into a table right here, with -2 leading all the way up to 3, with all the numbers in between, of course. And after that, I plugged in all the numbers, so when t was -2, I plugged it into x, and I plugged it into y, and I got 0, -1. And I did that all the way through the table to make this splendid graph. Now then, this graph is splendid because look at this, perfect arrows. And you wanna know how I got this graph? Because I found the rectangular I found the rectangular equation, which is when you solve for t, so you get 2y equals t, because you multiply 2 to both sides, of course. And then you plug that into the x equation, you get x equals 2y squared minus 4, which the ending equation is x equals 4y squared minus 4. Coach Espendary, can you please give us some extra credit because we made this amazing drawing of you? We spent like a good hour drawing it. Like, it is perfectly to scale. Your ears, your eyes, your nose. It's all perfectly to scale. And we even got your catchphrase. So we got that in there too. And we got a Wakeland shirt, jersey, because you're a soccer coach. And we got a St. Coach E. And yeah.
What's the E for, Zane?
What's the what?
What's the E for?
Esfingiri. For the hyperbola, it is when a jet breaks light speed. That's a real life equation right there. You see on this graph. I plugged in all the equations from the table, of course, and I got -1, blah blah blah, 0, -1, all the boring you guys don't really care about. Hold on, let me.
Am I getting I don't think that's how it works, Zane.
I'm sorry.
It's a nice drawing, though.
We got you giving a thumbs up because we know you're gonna ace us on this project. And I just think that we did really good.